If you want to triple your productivity in 2025 on your business, this is what I would do. I'm Thomas, I'm a medical doctor of 4 years. I use these principles to get through medical school, and I'm currently using them to grow my own business. If you're watching this video, you probably have a big goal in your mind for 2025 for your business, but you're not currently living up to that level of productivity. You probably think there's two options: either to neglect your health, your relationships, your social life, your sleep, even your 9 to 5, and go all in on your business, or to just continue at your slow progress and maintain things, but you're not really getting anywhere. But what if that wasn't the case? What if you could have balance in your life and build your business in a fulfilling way and in a productive way? That's what I think. So first of all, let's define what productivity is. Productivity is the results that you get from your work. It's not about the process. It's not about spending long hours, spending all your energy. You might experience this having a weekend free, on the limited time that you have, putting it on your business. But once the time's up, once the weekend's up, you're not really feel like it was productive because you weren't actually working on the right things. You didn't have good focus and you didn't have good energy levels to give your best work. So this leads into a very important first step, which is prioritization. You want to use the Pareto principle here by identifying the most important tasks in your business, the tasks that are going to drive your results, and just ignore all of the low return of investment tasks. You want to delete these once you've identified them, and you want to spend all of your time, all of your energy on the ones with good return of investments, ones that are actually going to get you closer to your business goals. In this way, you're identifying the 20% of tasks that bring you 80% of results. So once you've done this, you want to pay close attention to your energy levels. This is very important because you don't want to be working on your business when your energy levels are low. Maybe you've come home from work, you've had a long day, you haven't slept, and then you're trying to work on your business. You're not going to achieve good results, you're not going to have good focus, and you're going to be very unproductive. So you want to operate on your business with high energy levels, or at least medium energy levels. When your energy levels are low, you want to identify that. You want to spend time recharging, relaxing, resting, working on other parts of your life, activities that are going to bring your energy level up, like going to the gym, hanging out with your partner or friends, having some sleep, having some rest. This is where you take care of the other parts of your life, you build them back up, you have energy, and once you've got your energy levels higher, then you spend your time and energy on your business. So now we want to operate our time management. Just like energy, this is not unlimited. We have to manage this, especially if you're working a 9 to 5, especially if you have to sleep, maybe you have kids, maybe you have a partner, you don't have a lot of time. So with the time that you do have, you want to make sure you have the energy, but also you want to maximize for productivity. So how do we do this? We identify the times that we're free. We want to pencil it into our calendar. We want to be intentional with our time. So just like your energy is limited, your time is also limited. We want to optimize the little time we have for working on our business by identifying the free time and turning that into a plan to work on your business, creating deep work blocks or blocks to work on tasks for your business. Anything that comes up during that time is distractions you want to say no to, you want to keep focused. So that means that when you are working on your business, you're fully focused, and when you're not, you're fully focused on other parts of your life, which, as we talked about, is going to be a good thing, which will drive productivity when you are working. So now that we've identified how important energy is, time is, and prioritization, when we're actually sat down at the desk working on our business, what strategies can we use to further fuel our productivity? So the first thing I want to talk about is how intentional you are. You need to be aware of what you're achieving in that moment. What task are you working on? What do you want? Whether it's uploading a YouTube video, whether it's a project, uploading a course material, or working on some client work, whatever it is on your business, you want to be very clear on that goal, focus on that one thing and be intentional about it. How long is it going to take? You want to set that timer. You want to understand the process to get there, and you want to just get into some deep work. This will allow you to be focused on the goal, be present, get into some flow state, and to really bring out your best work. And when you do have to do your small tasks, you can group these together, perform them in one session. So it means that you're not constantly scattered your attention, your focus, and you're not constantly reacting to them when they come up. Instead, you store them and say, this is where I'm doing my small tasks and batching them together and performing them here. So you can almost treat your small tasks like another deep work session. As you're performing these tasks, the deep work long-term projects and the small bite-sized tasks, you also want to identify what things can you actually offload to someone else. Can you pay for someone to do these? Can you ask someone to do these? Can you automate these? Can you use AI and systemize these tasks? Anything that you can offload so you don't have to do them creates time for you, creates energy for you, and allows you to then use that saved time and energy on something that's important to you, that you enjoy, and gets you towards your business goals faster. And you can also systemize yourself, and this will get back energy to you. What I mean by that is you're performing tasks automatically, subconsciously, instead of consciously making that decision. Of course, that will be the case at the start, but as you do it day in and day out, you develop habits, especially if you do it at the same time of the day. Maybe it's a morning routine, you get up, you do your deep work. Over time, you will just consistently do this. It'll become easier. You'll be using less willpower, less energy. It'll become subconscious. It'll become a habit. And James Clear is the best person I've heard speak about this in his book, Atomic Habits. If you do the same task over and over, it becomes a habit. Each habit is a vote of identity. It's the type of person that you're going to become. And over time, you will become a productive person. You will become a person who gets up, who does their deep work. And if you thought this stuff was useful, you can get my free deep work template, which will help you identify what you're focusing on when you do your deep work tasks. So you can get it for free here. And yeah, thank you and thank you.